Alright, welcome to watch part 3 of my 10 input output DAC, and now I have all the 10 output channels working, and this looks quite messy as you can see, but signal comes from mini DSP multi-channel streamer. All the data lines go here to these BCM 5102 DACs, and then the signal goes to these balanced output modules that I bought from eBay. They seem to be working very fine, and that's it. I ran into some power supply problems. Yeah, I built this power supply with this transformer, but it didn't give me enough power, so it started to sag. So I made a temporary arrangement with this transformer here, much larger, giving me enough power, and then I had to put a larger heatsink to get enough power. So I have to modify the system a little bit that I get input and output channels working at the same time. Maybe I'll modify or improve that power supply. I need to get a transformer that fits into this case and all this. But 10 channels are working. Of course you can't really hear them here, but they are working. They're working. Maybe I'll pause this video and put some music on through my speakers. Yeps. Good old jazz coming out of these speakers. Very nice, very nice. Okay, maybe that's enough. That was Redman, Mehldau, McBride played Round Again album song Father. Yes, that was played through this DAC. I have this SSL2 plus just for input audio, analog input working here. Yep, sound is coming through this channel 1 and 2 output here, and the microphone is going from 1 and 2 channels. Yes. Okay, this is part 3 probably. I don't remember anymore, and output channel seems to be working. Thank you.